Limb rolling. Take care around joints and do not twist. Avoid pulling the limb using this technique. Pressure of technique is gentle, however, can be adjusted for patient preference, thinking light to moderate pressure. Limb rolling, so I'll actually pick your arm up and go like this with you, and just let me know if it tickles or if it feels funny or anything, okay? You can always raise your hand if you want me to stop. So this is the limb rolling. Is that a good pressure? Mm-hmm. Okay. Place your hands on either side, and then you're kind of supporting the arm as you're moving down with like a rocking motion. Yep. And yep, like that. Yep, exactly. You don't have to roll too much. You just kind of want to roll and kind of, yep, between the hands and moving down. Excellent. Perfect. And just check in with them about pressure. Is that pressure okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.